Hi, I'm Steph, a video producer here at Squarespace. No matter what your dream is or what you're planning to build online, a custom domain is a great way to get started when you don't know where to begin. Your Squarespace domain comes with built-in privacy and security features and key management tools at no extra cost, so you can focus on finding the best fit and running your business. Let's get to work. First, let's use domain search to find a desired custom domain name. Maybe you already have a brand name or an idea in mind, or maybe you're looking for some inspiration. With our domain name generator, you can explore AI-powered recommendations and choose the best domain name for you. No matter what domain name you choose, all management, security, and privacy features are included. When you've decided on your domain name, you'll see Squarespace Domains recommend secondary domains. These are domain names that have different TLDs, or domain endings, but have the same root as your domain name. And the price you see in search results is the price you pay at checkout. Plus, with multi-year registration, you have the option to lock in your domain for multiple years and ensure it stays yours. These are great investments to protect your brand visibility in search results. Plus, using free domain forwarding, you can direct customers from secondary domains back to your primary domain. Most importantly, advanced security and privacy features for your domain come included. In your domain overview, you can toggle Whois privacy protection and domain lock, as well as enable two-factor authentication for your account to add an extra layer of protection. Getting a custom domain isn't just about search traffic or creating a website, it can also unlock other key steps for your business. Creating a custom email for your business is an important investment to build customer trust and create consistent business communication. With your custom domain from Squarespace, you can add a business email from Google Workspace and manage it right in your domain's dashboard. If you're just starting out and you're not ready to purchase an email plan for your business, Squarespace offers free email forwarding with every domain. This feature allows you to receive emails at your domain and forward them to your personal address. This way, customers can reach out to a professional and polished email address like noreply@yourbusiness.com instead of a personal email address. If you want to receive and reply to emails from a custom email address, consider a business email plan, available for purchase in your domain's dashboard. When you purchase an annual website plan, you get a free year of domain registration. In addition to this, with our Core, Plus, or Advanced plans, you also get a free year of Google Workspace Starter. That means you can get the 3 essential components of starting an online business all at once. Starting online can be overwhelming. Squarespace Domains makes it easy to take the first step so you can get back to business on day one. Whatever your dream is, it deserves a custom domain that works as hard as you do. And remember, you've got this.